Hi, Internet friends. It's Tim Schrock with a bonus tip today on Chief Architect X16. The beta version is out, and I want to show you something new. Here's the file with it open in X15. Select a dimension first, and then hover over these objects, these grab handles in the dimension. And you'll notice that you can move it around, but do you really know what you're connecting this to? Well, enter X16, flip over to X16, and now select the dimension. Let's select the same dimension up here. And now hover over this grab handle. Notice that the wall highlights when you just hover over this. So now we know exactly what we're dimensioning to. If I hover over this, I don't know why it's dimensioning to that. Why would it select that wall? That's kind of silly. There's that wall. Let's go to the cabinet. It's now the cabinet's highlighted. Go to the wall. There we go. So there is a little quirk there that the wall parallel to the dimension line could be highlighted, but generally that would be the wall perpendicular to the dimension line would be highlighted. Cool new tip there. I don't think I recall seeing that in any of the webinars. That the dimension now highlights the object that it's connected to. If you like this information, click like and subscribe. Leave a comment, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks.